Okay, my dear. Now we are going to do another activity. You must tell me what they are doing. Okay? Okay, ready? One girl is lying down. Okay? Okay, fine. Super. In first activity, who came? Please come. First who came? This girl was lying in the road. Okay. Something happened to her. So first these two girls they came. What they did? What they did, ma? They just looked at her and they went off. They ignored. Ignored என்ன பண்ணாங்க? அப்படி பார்த்தாங்க. பார்த்துட்டு கண்டுக்காம அப்படி போயிட்டாங்க. She was lying down in the road. But they didn't bother. Just they went off. They ignored her. Then next two girls came. They came in the scooter. They also came and just they looked at her and as if they are having some work, they are very busy, so just they went up. They went up, isn't it? அவங்களுக்கு பெருசா வேலை இருக்கிற மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணாங்க? Just they went up. Even they also didn't help her. The next two came. Please come. These two girls came. Come here. These two girls came. What they did? She is the selfie killer. She took only selfie photo and she was to put in the WhatsApp and Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and all. Oh, somebody is lying down. Please help her. Please help her. Like that. She took only selfie and they both also went up. Isn't it? Amma niya. So avanga selfie eduthu photo போட்டு ஃபேமஸ் ஆறலாம். அவங்க போயிட்டாங்க. அடுத்து next two girls came. What they did? These two girls came. What they did? அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க? They pour the water. No, not pour it. Just they are என்ன பண்ணீங்க? என்ன பண்ணீங்க? தண்ணி gave water to her. Yeah. So அந்த தண்ணி நல்லா முகத்துல தெளிச்சு விட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க எந்திரிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணாங்க? They gave the water and they helped them. Isn't it? If somebody is having some problem, what we must do? Somebody is having some problem. ஒரு சில யாருக்கா ஒருத்தருக்கு ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? We must help them. We should not ignore them. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது? கண்டுக்காம இக்னோர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஒதுக்கி வச்சுட்டு போகக்கூடாது. கண்டுக்காம போகக்கூடாது. அது என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது? We should not take photos of them. Photo எடுத்துட்டு போகக்கூடாது. We must help them. So here who is the best one? These two girls, isn't it? So they helped her and they saved their life, isn't it? So we must do like that only. நீங்களும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? ரோட்ல யாராவது அடிபட்டிருந்தா அப்படியே பார்த்துட்டு கண்டுக்காம போயிடக்கூடாது. சரியா தங்க? We must help the people. Okay?